Come on. Got some seriously low cars in the car park. Right, let's make our way inside. So literally en route into the Gravity showroom now. Wow, gosh, this is a really nice area for a car show, by the way. Nicely done. I've never been to this show before, so something different. There's a lot of walking there from the car park. Well, as long as it all turns out to be all good. this meet is sick. It's like literally just a quick look through everything, but I'm gonna have to do a second round again, just looking at these cars properly while I'm not filming for you guys. Like, it's absolutely sick being here. Weather is bang on perfect. I wish I brought my sunglasses. I didn't realize I'd be outside as much as I am. But yeah, this has turned out really good event. Music choice here has been on point. Right, there's a whole other hall for the other side. But this should be interesting. I didn't even realize this section was here until a little while ago. I think this meet is good enough that I won't even need to do any talking in it, so I'm just going to carry on walking around and showing you guys all the cars basically, because this is sick. So yeah everyone, I'm holding the phone with my hand now, so if it's a bit more shaky I apologize, but that's me leaving the meet now. So Gravity Car Show, and damn, that was ridiculous. Like I'm not even joking, that was one of the best meets I've been to. Completely different from everything else I've been to. I think when you first walk in, it's basically a sensory overload. You're like, where the hell do I look, what the hell do I do and stuff, so it's kind of cool. It's always awkward vlogging like, because you just see everyone just like looking at you all strange and everything like that, but it is what it is. Yeah, made it to the car park now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. If you want to join me, hit subscribe and hit the bell notification if you like as well. peace out. See you guys later. Car park is absolutely packed now. Gonna be some decent cars here as well, probably, but I ain't got time to look around.